Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. No, again I reconnected that VPN. Yeah, that is a problem. Fine, guys. Okay, now let us continue. So today, guys, we will discuss about the tips for writing programming in companies. So what are the techniques we need to follow for feasible programming? Let us try to understand. So first tip, guys, this program we created in the previous class. Oh, it's I think sandbox. So unit test client. So we need to start with. Just we need to change the client number. Okay. Fine, we go to SE38 and start practicing, guys, today only. Procrastination is suicide, guys. I'm telling you, there is no question about why you are saying such a big word. Procrastination, guys. Procrastination. It's a highly dangerous, guys. Okay. Procrastination. Tomorrow I will do. Day after tomorrow I will do. Sunday I will do. Today very busy. So this tomorrow will never come. This tomorrow will never come, guys. Okay. So start today only. Now only. There is no way, guys. You have to do it. So procrastination, please avoid it. So let us see one by one. First, guys, in companies, how we are writing the programming, guys. Let us try to understand. So first tip is how to write the program names in companies. There are for you standards are there. First one, start module name, guys. So like this, for example, you have module names. Suppose I want to create a program for MM module. So we are starting with ZMM. Say it's a vendor performance report. So what we are doing it like this. For example, it is a FI module, guys. If you want to write FI module program, start with FI, ZFI underscore vendor underscore aging. If it is a HR module, start with ZHR, ZHR underscore employee underscore details, and so on, guys. Okay. This is a way we need to write program, and never start like this Z internal table like this. No, guys, it's not the way. And remember, guys, always start a program with Y or Z. Always create a program with Y, with prefix Y or Z. Mostly Z only. Y also we can start, no problem. Y program or Z programs. Now, guys, suppose this is a customer program. Previous program was a customer program. Customer details. Customer details is a SD module. So start with ZSD underscore customer underscore details. Something. Create option. So once you selected create option, you need to provide the title. And in companies, provide apt titles. Never write good morning, hi, hello, how are you? No, guys. Proper titles. So that is the next tip. So always provide proper titles or apt titles based on requirement. Based on requirement. That is very important. So as per requirement, it's a customer details report. So provide the proper title. And follow the standards also. Camel case, first letter capital, remaining small, like this. Okay. Proper case also you follow. All capital letters don't write this. Okay. Then type executable program, because I want to get the output. We need to compile this program and select save option. Save option at bottom. Here I am selecting local object, guys. But in companies, always save your program in a proper package. Okay. Package is must. So always save. That is a very important point. So always save your program in a package. In a package, compulsory. Now the next question, interview question, they will tell you, ask you, who is creating this package? So if people are asking who is creating this package, how many packages are you working with? So it depends on the projects, guys. Okay, it's completely depends on the project with which you are working. In some projects, I saw, guys, very big companies, FI module, they have a different package. CRM, they have a different package. MM module, different package. But in some companies, for all the technical modules, MM, SD, PP, FI, CRM, only one package, say ZABAP. So only one package will be there. So it depends on the project to project and client to client. And one more thing, guys, who is creating this package? Even we can also create, guys, or team leader also he can create. It's a very easy job to create a package. We'll see later. So if somebody is asking who is creating a package, you say I'm not creating. I'm getting this package directly, okay, from somebody, some team leader or somebody. I'm getting it, okay. It's already available, okay. I'm providing that package and I'm going forward, okay. So that is one thing. But here I'm going for local object, okay. Later, guys, in later classes in system landscape, we'll discuss how to create a package, everything, guys, we'll discuss later. So as of now, select local object. And one more thing, guys, whenever you're providing a package, system will generate a transport request number. System will generate a transport request number. And this transport request number, we need to transport from one client to another client. Okay, that is a different topic. So leave it as of now. So select local object. But this point you need to remember, always save your program in a package. Okay. In companies. Now, you will find ABAP editor. Now here, guys, before writing a program, what we need to do in companies, we need to provide, and it depends on the project to project. For example, one program I'll show you. See, for example, you take this real-time program, some goods receipt, auto goods receipt. See, here you can see program ID, see program title, see automated goods receipt created by who is creating, event loop, and when it is created, okay, some date, some request, blah blah, incident number, blah blah, guys, what it is doing. So this program, what is the purpose of this program? So it automatically creates goods receipt for an open, okay, for an open inbound delivery in blah blah, guys, okay, entire thing. And then modification history and it changes. It's a support project. This we are doing in implementation project, guys. This entire thing, who is creating, created by, who is my functional consultant. Usually we are writing transport request number also here, or transport request number, objective of that incident number, technical author, functional consultant name, everything, guys, we are writing. And this is modification history. In modification history, we are writing a changes when it is changed. Okay, somebody else?
Okay.
Yeah, any question, please? Mute yourself if you don't want to ask any question. Vidya Reddy, please mute yourself. If you have no question, please mute yourselves, please. Fine, guys. So that is your modification history, okay? So see, guys, when it is changed, okay, what is a incident number? Who changes? Who done changes? These are user ID. The CR, change request number, blah, blah, okay. TR number. This is your transport request number. So that is the next point. So provide necessary comments. Comments on top of the program. And it depends on the project to project also. Okay. For example, but usually, guys, in all the projects, what we are doing, so simply star, guys, start with star. Simply here you write title, author, date of creation, then description, TR number, okay, blah blah, guys. Okay, these are the incident number, blah blah, incident number. Like, okay, if incident implementation project needs some incident numbers are also not required. Generally in support project, now at bottom we are writing the modification log. Modification log. Modification means when the changes has been done. This we are doing in support project, etc. guys. And here also same name, author. They're all comments. Who is author, date, on which date you are making changes, TR number, okay, and description, blah blah. And it depends on the project to project. Okay, this is your modification log. Okay, so these details we need to provide, guys, okay, in a project. Okay, this remember it. Okay, so this is compulsory, guys. You need to maintain compulsory whenever you are starting a program. Fine. So after providing these details, you can start your program. You can start your program. And while writing program, what steps we need to follow? Let us try to understand that one also. And always write your program, guys, with proper gaps. Write a program very neatly, guys. If you are starting a program, if you are writing a program with capital letters, write capital only. If you are writing small letters, only small letters, but half capital, half small, please don't do it. Okay. Suppose mostly we are writing programming in capital only, guys. That is recommended thing. So I am creating a structure. And whenever you're writing a program, guys, always maintain comments. Always write comments in your program. First, let me show you standard programs also, how they are writing comments. And if unnecessary comments you don't write. Unnecessary, don't write, please. See, guys, for example, return. See, work area for pop-up inbound delivery. This is a comment. See, like this. This is a comment. So, for example, you want to make any changes tomorrow. So, start off commenting. If you want to comment a code, for that also write comment. Compulsory, guys. So that tomorrow people should understand why you are commenting that code, on which date you are commenting, who is commenting, everything you have to write. So wherever comments are required, please comment it. See, data, IT error type table of blah blah, some comment is written. See, declaration of variables, again it's a comment. So quantity for calculation and P open quantity is a comment. Variables for function interface, these are all comments. Okay, so suppose you are in support project, suppose you are making changes. So what changes you are making? See, start, begin of change, okay, end of change. This comment we made, but here we need to write date also. Who is making changes, date of change also we have to write. It is not written here. Okay, you have to write compulsory. So guys, wherever the comments are required, we need to provide. There is a next tip. Next point. Always provide the comments in a project, in a program, wherever it is necessary. Wherever it is required. Unnecessary, don't provide. Okay, wherever it is required, please comment it. And I told you in previous classes also, beginning, if you want to comment at beginning, guys, start with star. Anywhere, guys, anywhere you want to comment, you need to go for double quotes. Double quotes. This you follow it. Okay. Next. Fine, guys. Now here I am writing create structure something. Right, types. Previous program only, guys. I'm discussing the real-time things. Okay, how to write begin of structure name. And this is not the correct way to write a structure. So the next point is always follow the naming standards, guys. Always follow the naming standards. So in real time, always follow naming standards as prescribed by a company. Okay, and every company, these naming standards are common, guys. 95% it is common. For example, coming to the naming standards, if you see structure, start with TY, guys, and table name. TY, table name. Structure's name should always start with TY and table name. These are prescription. Example, ty underscore knm table, ty underscore ekk table. Okay, like this. Next, work area, guys. Work area. If you want to define work area, start with WA and table name. Work area underscore table name. In some companies, I saw guys LS also. LS also they are writing it. LS also they are writing. Okay, it depends on project to project also, guys. And the team leader will tell you. You don't bother about it. Yeah, please.
Structure, you are not saying ST. You are saying TY, right? Because yesterday we said begin of ST, right? Then we write the.
No, ST. No, that's what I'm telling you. Never write ST. ST is not the correct way. If you want to define a structure, start with TY. That's what I'm telling you. ST never write like this. Okay.
Okay.
Start with TY underscore table name. ST is not the correct way.
Okay.
So, right, or some companies we are writing LS also. Okay, local structure something we are writing. Okay, but follow TY and work area WA. Coming to internal table, start with always IT, guys. IT underscore table name. And some companies, guys, they are writing GT also. GT means global internal table. Global internal table. Local internal table, LIT sometimes. Local, okay. LIT means local internal table. Usually start internal table with IT underscore your database table name. Okay. This is a way. And you can check also, guys, some standard programs I will show you time to time. How you can take any program, it's not this program. So in this project, how they are writing the structure names. See, guys. These are real-time program. Okay, see TY. Because error, they are storing errors in this structure. See TY underscore error. See TY underscore RBKP, TY underscore T001 for plants. Okay. And coming to work area, see here they are going for W, guys. See, they are following different standards. See W. Work area they are starting with W. Okay. And somewhere you start with W also, but usually it start with W. See here he is writing WA, and there he is writing W. It's not a problem, but follow it. See IT internal table, IT, guys. Okay. See IT underscore EKB underscore item blah blah. So that is the standards that we need to follow. So that is the naming standards. Strictly, guys, it's a strictly you have to follow the naming standards. Compulsory, guys. If you're not following, it's a problem again. So they will reject your program. Again, they will ask you, your team leader or the person who is performing the code review, he will ask you to rewrite the program. It's a big problem again. Okay. So follow these standards. So the next point, write your program very neatly, guys. What do you mean by neatly? Don't take eraser and pencil. That is not the neatness. Neatness means proper gaps. For example, you are writing a field name. Under that you write field name. Again, under type you write type. See, suppose type you are writing somewhere else. Data type you are writing somewhere else. Say third field you are writing somewhere else, guys. It's not the correct way. So follow neatness. Neatness in the sense apt, guys. This is also part of programming standards only. End of you're writing somewhere else. See, guys. So the programmatically it is correct. Say I'm activating the program. See, guys, the program is activated. Means no errors. But there is no readability, guys. This code is not readable. Other guys cannot understand. So that's why, guys, to ensure readability, provide proper gaps, proper under type, right type. So this is the correct way of writing the code, guys. See, this is called neatness. See. So write the program very neatly, guys, properly. Okay. Then give the proper gaps and don't write directly your work area here or only, guys. The work area type ST, internal table never. That's what I'm telling you. Proper gaps. IT type table of ST. Done. Again gap. Next, you extract the logic. Provide extraction logic. It's a comment. Wherever comment is required, please write it. So with commenting, guys, other guys, tomorrow you leave the project or tomorrow you are on leave. Other guy have to do it. Your other colleagues, they have to make changes. They should understand, guys, what you take exactly. And believe me or not, guys, after 2 months, you will forget. You will forget, the guys, what logic you written, for what purpose you written. So that's why I write comments. So provide extraction logic, properly write, select Kunnar, name 1, ORT01. And same way, guys, suppose there you're writing capital letters, again here you're writing small. No, guys, don't do it. Okay. Right, it's not case sensitive, but follow it. Name 1, ORT01 from KNM into table IT underscore KNM. Okay. Next, processing logic. Processing logic. Loop at IT underscore KNM. And guys, time to time, select pretty printer option. Time to time. So you return this code, select pretty printer. You return this code, pretty printer. Like in UFI, guys, I was teaching UFI now only. So there we have beautify option. I don't want to, okay, we'll see later somewhere else. Beautify. There it is beautify option. Here it is, we have pretty printer. Pretty printer, guys. Pretty printer. Okay, so suppose I'm writing end of somewhere else. This begin of somewhere else, end of somewhere else. So pretty printer, make it pretty. Okay, I think it's not active. One second. Indentation. Okay, indentation is activated. Okay, no problem. But I'm telling you, so they will make exactly under that loop and loop. If you're writing loop, for example, I'm writing like this into work area. If I'm not writing properly, okay, so it will do indentation. If and if, okay, customer 30th location, name 60 city. See, I'm writing loop and loop here. Now time to time you select pretty printer. See, pretty printer will make it more pretty, beautified. See, again I want to show you. Somewhere I'm writing here pretty printer. Select this button on the top, pretty printer. So automatically this end loop will come under loop. See. So this is a very important point. Always select pretty printer button on top for beautifying the program. So beautifying in a correct language, in a technical language, it is called indentation. Indentation, very important. Always select there. Time to time you select whenever you're writing program. Now, very important point. Once your program is created, or time to time, every object or every program should be checked. It should be checked, or first it should be saved. Every program you save it, you check it, and you activate it. And what are all these options? I will show you, I will tell you. Save shortcut key is Control S, Control plus S, or you have floppy icon on the top. Floppy icon, red color, you will find it for saving option. For checking, we have an option called Control F2. Okay, here also you have an icon is there, guys, because it's a confusing icon. See. So left side of this candle icon, see. Left side of this candle icon, candle means you check option is there. So this option you'll find left side, extreme left side, immediately of candle icon. You find check option for checking the errors. Okay, if you want to check the errors, it's not required, guys. Activation is deadly important. Control F3 is a shortcut. It's a candle icon. Now save, guys. Suppose, guys, your power is gone. Suppose I'm creating a smart form. In case of smart form, it's very dangerous, guys. It's smart form, or I'm creating Adobe form. I'm not saving that smart form, guys, and I created that entire invoice form. Okay, or a purchase order form. So, guys, the power is gone, suppose, or my system is hanged or something happened, and you're not saving it. Again, you need to rewrite. It's a big problem, guys. A lot of time wastage. You need to deliver the objects in time. So it's a time wastage, guys. So always save, guys, time to time. Checking is nothing but errors. If you want to check any errors, syntax errors, you can check. Activation is deadly important, guys. This I will explain you what is activation. And remember, guys, every program you need to activate. That is very important. Let me tell you what is activation. So remember, guys, every program must be activated. Must be activated. And this activation option you will find in HANA also, guys, in everywhere. Compulsory in SAP, you will find this activation option. Now let us try to understand what is activation in depth. Suppose, guys, I'm creating a table in data dictionary. It's a data dictionary in SC11 transaction code. We'll create a table. It's very important for everybody. It's a central location where your data will be stored. And this is my program, nothing but SE38. SE38 is my program. Suppose I'm creating a Z table. I'm creating a Z table, say Z employee, with employee number, employee name, and say city. But guys, this table is not activated. Listen carefully. This table is still inactive. Still the table is inactive. It's not activated. Good. Now, and this is my database server. Now what I'm doing, I'm writing a select statement. In my program SE38, I'm writing a select query, select ENO, ename, city, from, table name, that employee, the where condition. Something I'm writing as into table, blah, 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 where condition, something. Now, my question to all of you is, will this program, as my table is inactive, will this program can access this table? Straightforward question. Will my program can access the table? Yeah. So my question is clear?
It is inactive, right? It can't.
Yeah, the table is inactive. That is the condition I'm telling you. The table is inactive and my SE38 program want to access it. In select statement, I'm writing it. Is this possible? You will find error message, guys. You will find error message. What error? That employee is inactive. Please check. That employee is inactive or not available or not available. Please check. This error message will get, guys. Not available. Please check. Why you are getting this error? Try to understand. Listen carefully. See, guys, applications in SAP, I'm not talking about ABAP, I'm talking about directly applications. In SAP, applications, they never connect with each other. They have no direct connectivity, guys, between each other. They never connect. So this is wrong, guys. Applications will never connect with each other. It's the wrong way. Listen carefully. It's a very important point I'm telling you. So because applications are part of GUI, they never connect. So whenever, guys, listen carefully, whenever I'm executing this program or whenever I'm selecting F8 option, this program will never interact with SC11 directly. No, guys, this will never happen. So what will happen internally? This application SC38 will connect to database server. Will connect to database server, and it will find, guys, it will try to search that table called Z employee here. The program will try to find the table in database server, guys. So currently, guys, as the table is inactive, the table is not available here. The table is not available in your database server, and it will throw an error message. Table is inactive or not available, something, guys. Okay, so what I will do now, I will activate it now. Now I'm activating this table, not only table, anything, guys. Now I'm activating this table in SC11. Now the table is active. Okay, so whenever you are activating a table, your table will be stored in database server, guys. Your table will be stored in database server along with your fields, along with the data, everything will be stored here, guys. Now you execute your program. Your program will make a request to database server. In database server, it will find, guys, it will find the table and it will extract the data. Now you will not find the error message. So with activation option, guys, remember, with activation option, every object will be finally stored in database server. And all your applications in SAP, it can be CRM, it can be SRM, it can be any finance application, anything, guys, or ABAP on HANA, anything, guys, it will directly interact with database server, guys. Okay, remember. So activation is must. So with activation, all the applications are integrated with each other. Okay, this is a very important point. So every application, every program you need to activate. That is must. Fine guys, if you want to execute a program, select F8. Select F8 to execute your program. This is must guys. After that you execute. If you want to execute your program, select F8. So you'll get the output. Usually guys, you need to create a selection screen actually. We'll see later guys, all those selection screens, all those options. I'm getting some error. So okay, activate. Now currently this program is inactive. Suppose guys, this program is inactive. So this program cannot be interacted guys. You cannot find this program in other servers, other clients you cannot find, impossible. Okay, so every program is activate. Now this is available guys. Now active. This program anybody can access. Okay, anybody can access. Your unit test client, it can access. You can transport this program guys from one client to another client only if it is activated. Select F8, you will find the output. Now guys, there are some other tips are also there. Suppose guys, I want to search something, I want to replace something, that is very important, or you want to comment. Suppose I want to comment this entire section. This code is no more required now. Okay, this code is obsolete now. The policy change guys, FI policy change, HR policy change. Now this code is no more required. I want to comment it. So if you want to comment a section of a program, so select that section with your mouse pointer. Select that section with your mouse pointer. Select control less than combination, CTRL less than C. It is commented. So that is the next tip. If you want to comment a section of a program or code, anything, section of a code, follow this procedure. Select that code with your mouse pointer, with your mouse, and select CTRL control plus less than, both simultaneously guys. You need to select this combination. Automatically it is commented. Reverse procedure, if you want to decomment it, same procedure. If you want to decomment, follow the same procedure and control greater than symbol if you want to decomment. Okay, control greater than. Repeat the same procedure guys. And tomorrow guys, I want this code, and never delete the code guys, don't do it. Okay, always comment it and write guys on the top why you are commenting it, for what purpose you are commenting, on which date you are commenting. Select it and control less than, greater than, control less than, comment, decomment, comment, decomment, comment, decomment. Okay. Fine, that is very useful tip. One more tip, I want to replace, very useful guys. When I joined in SAP guys, starting days in somewhere in 2000, millennium year 2000 guys, I joined in a company. I don't know anything guys, these tips, nothing I know guys. So what happened guys? So there I written the code like this. I written these standards only. I follow like this WIT. I don't know guys. My faculty never taught these standards because he was not a real time guys. Just he established an institute in Amirpet and just he started teaching. He don't know what to do guys. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to discuss all those things. So starting when I joined in a company guys, I used to write the code like this. I don't know all the standards. So on a fine day, my program went guys to my team leader. He was a Chennai guys. Okay, he was a Madarasi, Chennai, South India, and he saw my program guys, and he told that, hey Rajshekar, this is not the way you need to write. This is not the correct way you have to write. Please make changes. I told, what happened? No, this is not the way. And he told me guys how to do it. He's a very good guy guys, because he also Amirpet, I was also Amirpet. He also came from Amirpet, bye, both are brothers. He also understood my problem, and he told, no Rajshekar, you have to do like this. Work A, you have to write table name. IT, you have to write table name like this. So what I did guys, it's a very big program. So what I did, Simply I went like this. I went simply manually. I started writing like this manually, guys, with mouse. Okay, with like this I started writing. It's a very big program, guys. It is taking a lot of time. Later I came to know, guys, we have a very useful option, guys, called replace. We can replace, like an Excel sheet, we have replace option. How to do it? How to replace an existing code with a new code? That is a very important tip. It will save a lot of time. So instead of WA, I want to write W underscore K anyone. Instead of IT, I want to write IT underscore K anyone. Let us do it. First I will explain you, then we will discuss. Select Control F, guys. Shortcut combination Control F, CTRL F. You will find a pop-up. You will find a pop-up. So what you want to replace? See, find what? So I want to replace work area, guys. WA. Find what? WA. Select replace button. See, first you type what you want to replace. This should be there in your program. Select replace button with what you want to replace. W underscore K name. So I want to replace this work area with this one, guys. Okay, select now replace all button. Third button now, see. Replace all button. Okay, I will show once again. See, guys, here you have to type what you want to replace in your program. See, this you want to replace with what you want to replace. Work area underscore K name I want to replace. And instead of this, I want work area underscore K name. Okay, then you select replace all button, this button. So automatically the things are replaced. See, guys, replace all. See, guys, 5 occurrences means 5 places it is replaced. Work area underscore K name. Done, guys. Cancel it. See. So wherever you are having work area, so work area underscore K name, it is replaced. See, work area underscore. Now similarly, IT underscore K name. IT I want to replace with IT underscore K name. See, Control F, Control plus F option, IT. Select replace button. This time IT underscore K name. Select replace all. But there is a danger, guys. See, there is a danger. What is the danger behind it? So wherever IT is there, guys, wherever IT in city also we are having IT, guys. That is a danger behind it. There is a problem. See, in city also we are having IT. There also system will replace with IT underscore K name. Okay or not? So be careful, guys. Be careful. Okay, while replacing the code. I hope you understood the danger also. So be careful. But I'm telling you the technique, and you should follow where you need to replace and where you not. Here it is dangerous. Now here that IT is replaced by IT underscore K name. Remaining is fine. Here it is good, looking good. Here also replaced perfectly. Here also replaced perfect. So there is no other way. You have to see, guys, which you have to replace. Be careful while replacing it. Okay. So that is, guys, how to replace it. Okay. So if you want to replace, the code first. CTRL plus F, this is the first point. Control plus F. After Control plus S, you will find a pop-up. In that pop-up, you type like this: find what? Find what? Suppose I want to replace work area. Okay, type find what, then select replace button. Then select replace button. Then again it will ask you find what, already work area. Replace with say work area underscore K. Okay, then you select replace all button. Replace all. Enough, guys. So automatically it is replaced. But be careful. Sometimes it is a problematic also. There is a drawback also. So be careful. Okay. Next, guys. I want to find some searching, guys. Okay, searching. For example, this is a very big program. Suppose, guys, this is auto GR report. It's a very big code. You can see some 1,000 lines of codes are there. See, almost 6,000 lines. A lot of code is there, guys. It's a Z program. In this Z program, I want to do some searching, guys. EKKO table. Where is EKPO table? Where is BAPI, guys? Okay, somewhere BAPI is written. Again, same, guys. If you want to search something, where is BAPI? Okay, it will take a lot of time. So we have a binocular option. If you want to do some finding, I see on the top. See, guys, binocular option. See, guys, this option. 1 second, guys. See this option, guys. See binocular option. This one, this. Okay, this is find option. You just click on this. See. Now it will ask you find, guys. Okay, find. What do you want to find? Say BAPI, guys. BAPI underscore. Somewhere it is there compulsory. BAPI underscore, simply BAPI. Enter option. See, guys. Wherever BAPI is there, that is highlighted. See. But I want to find BAPI function model. Okay, so select BAPI underscore goods movement. Simply you type the starting word. That is enough. BAPI underscore good. See, guys, BAPI underscore good MVT, goods movement underscore create. It will create the GR, guys, goods receipt in Migo application. See. So directly it's very easy to find, guys. Okay, it's very easy to find that one. See. So that is a one more very useful option. If you want to search any ABAP keyword, select binocular option icon on the top. Okay, on the top you will find a pop-up. Once you selected it, you will find a pop-up. So once you got that pop-up, you type find. So whatever you find, blah blah blah. Suppose you want to find something, select statement, you type something, find something. We type here. And now, guys, select enter option after that. Select enter option. Keyboard enter. Okay, automatically get the things. That is why how you can find it, how you can do searching. Okay, double click, you will go to that line number, guys. Okay, see. Okay, and say one more thing, guys. Suppose in this program, it's a very big code, guys. I want to go to a particular line number. See, left side we have line number. See, 2795, 2782 line numbers also. See. So that I want to search. So we have Control O option. See, guys. Control O. Listen carefully. Control O, guys. Control O CTRL. You will find the line number. See which line number you want to go. See 2155. Enter option. OK button. See, guys, 2155. Directly the control is waiting. See, the control is blinking. See, and 2155. See, like this. You can find Control O option once again. See, guys, Control O. Suppose I want to go to 5000, line number 5000. Type that line number 5000. OK button. See, it is directly going to the cursor is going to the 5000. See, guys, that is very useful option. Searching a line number in a program. Simply select CTRL-O, okay, and enter option. CTRL-O. You will find a pop-up or type line number, say 5000, okay, and select enter option. So this is how, guys, you can go to a particular line number. So that is one option, very useful. And guys, in SAP, guys, if you want to work with simultaneously, suppose I want to work with SE11 also, I want to work with SE37 also. Yeah, we can comment here. We can comment one field or one line also, or a structure of work areas. We can do that also. I'll tell you. No, now you select that one. Suppose you want to comment a particular work area or a particular field only. Suppose I want to comment only this line. Select that line and select Control S. Done. See, yeah, I want to decomment. Same. Suppose I want to comment only end loop. Select that line. Whichever line you want to comment, you just Control S. Enough. If you want to comment a section of a code, then select that section. So whichever you want to comment, select it. And suppose guys, I want to work with application simultaneously. Suppose I want to work with SC11 also. Simultaneously, I want to do testing also. My data is perfect or not. See, I'm executing this report. Why exactly? We need to work with application simultaneously. Let us discuss that. Suppose guys, this I want to do testing now, whether it is correct or not. So I don't want to close this application and I want to open SC11 guys. See, go to SC11/O. If you want to go simultaneously, if you want to work with simultaneously, go to /O SC11. Technically, I'm telling you, there are so many ways are there guys. You can go for new GUI also. So this is better guys. /O transaction code SC11, enter option. Now simultaneously, SC38 is also there, SC11 is also there. Table name, K name. This will discuss guys. Data dictionary, I will tell you how to see tables, everything. Display. I want to check whether my data is perfect or not. Testing guys. As a technical guy, I want to do testing. Select contents option. Okay, and type your customer number here. See guys, P blah blah blah. Copy it and paste here. Execute. Clock symbol. See, it's not available. One second. Okay, see guys. Okay, see. Connard, land one US, name one Honeywell, SPS, blah blah blah, POSO. Now you check it whether data is, see guys, Honeywell, SPS, US, AL POSO. Correct guys, so perfect. See guys, AL POSO. Okay. Testing is fine. Like this, you can work with multiple applications simultaneously also. Like I want to go to SC51 from here. Go to /O SPRO. I want to go SPRO /O SPRO. SPRO is open, implementation guide. See, but guys, there is some restriction guys. In SAP you can open 6 sessions simultaneously. Remember that. If you want to open sessions simultaneously, simple guys, /O T code name. T code means transaction code. Example /O SC11 /O SC38 /O SC91, etc. Remember guys, important note, you can open max 6 sessions simultaneously. This you need to understand. You can check also. And again I want to go to /O SC91 /O SC24. So 5 already open guys. /O SC41. Now again I want to go to SPRO /O. Now you'll get error message. Max number of GUI sessions reached. Okay, so close it. And this yellow color guys, suppose you want to log off. Today you want to go away guys. You want to pack up. So don't select that cross symbol on right. Always select this option, log off, yellow color. Okay. So what it will do guys, whatever the memory which is allocated by system guys in program, that is automatically saved and it will be logged off properly guys. Select this yellow color. That is the best option you have to do. The next option guys, if you want to close guys, I don't want to open simultaneously. So I want to close the existing application. I want to close the existing application and I want to open a new one. In SAP, you just /N guys, /N T code. Same thing, /N. Example, /N SC11, /N SC38. New guys, new GUI session is open and existing one is closed. I want to search. Yes, please.
What are the maximum lines we can write in a program? It's 5,000 or more.
It's not 5,000. There is no restriction actually. I think 1158 some lines are. I'm not sure it. This I will tell you guys. Okay, because I'm not sure about it. This I will get the information. I will tell you. Okay? Because I cannot tell you the wrong thing, right? I'm not sure about it. I know, but I'm not sure about it.
Okay? Oh, in the program you open, I think it was 5,000 or 5,500.
No, that is line number. Oh, that you can write n number. Oh, there is no limit. Oh, that is no limit. Oh, there is no limit. Oh, no limit. I was thinking about width. I thought this one.
Oh, okay.
Up here you can write like this.
Okay.
This I was thinking. That is no limit. You can add 20,000 lines also, 50,000 line also. There is no limit.
Okay.
Your patience. Right. Now I want to search some object, guys. Very useful option. Suppose I want to search all my programs starting with ZF5. This I discussed in previous class also. Suppose I want to search a table starting with MA, guys. MA, Mara, Marshi, Makat, Maram, Marat, like this. See, MA. So type that name, MA star. MA star. F4, guys. F4. F4 is a search help. F4. See. So 156 sheets. This is called search help. And you can click here also, guys. See, white color option. Generally in companies, users and functional consultants or everybody, guys, they used to select this button, guys, this option. See, white color option. This is called search help button. See, you'll find the list of the objects which are starting with MA. Suppose I want to see MA star R star D, guys. Okay, like this. All the tables which should have MARD something like that. F4. Like this also you can type. See. So these are the tables which are having MARD, starting with M and ending with D. Starting with M, ending with D. Starting with M, ending with D. Like this also you can do. See, M star R star D. And these will be included, guys. M R star. Like this also you can search F4. So these are the tables which are including, which are having M, R, and D. Okay. Like this. Suppose I want to see a program. I want to search a program starting with ZMM, guys. ZMM, all the programs star goods star, like this. So I want a program starting with ZMM. Next word should be goods. So let us see how many programs are. Only one program, guys. Only one program. See, ZMM underscore GR underscore print underscore receipt. See, goods, like this. You can search it. So only I want the program starting with ZMM. ZMM underscore star F4. You will find all the programs starting with ZMM. So many programs are there. See. So this is a way, guys, you can search it. Okay. Search the objects, programs, tables, etc. Just you go to any program SC38, okay, and type your program ZMM underscore star or F4. You can apply F4. You can get it. You will get a search help. You similarly go to S11. Suppose I want all the tables starting with MA star. Okay, DR, like this. Okay, this is your practice, guys. You automatically get it. Like this also you can do. There are the various options to search it. MA. Okay, suppose M star R star D, like this. Clear? Fine, guys. Any questions about up to here? About the tips? Any question, any doubts up to here? Fine, guys. Okay, that is today's class about the tips. Tomorrow I will show you the debugging, guys. How to do debugging. What are the various shortcut keys for doing debugging? Because it's a big topic, it will take some time. Okay, we'll see debugging tomorrow. Okay, what are the breakpoints? What are the use of the? And it is not a one-day topic. Debugging is ocean, guys. Okay, so every topic like smart forms, iDocs, okay, module pool programming, I will show debugging. Okay, fine, guys. I'll stop the class. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.